Right now we're cooking some sausage. Wow. Oh, hey there. My name's AJ Miranda, world-renowned chef and hairless cat groomer.
Hey guys, we're making English pizzas, and we got sausages, mozzarella, Colby Jack, pepperonis, garlic, English muffins, spaghetti sauce, and a pepper. We're gonna cut it.
How could something that looks so funny taste so good? Bigger on the bottom, smaller on the top. But once you get a taste, well, you can't stop. They toast up crunchy like no other, with nooks and crannies to hold the butter. Sure are funny, all bright and sunny. Thomas's English muffins.
Wow. So AJ,
Yes?
can you explain the process?
Well, right now we're cutting the bread in half to eventually turn it into a pizza. It's going to be like a sandwich pizza.
No, you idiot. This is the bread. You put the sauce on.
Yeah.
And you put your toppings on.
Yeah.
And then you bake it, and it becomes a pizza, you fool.
So that means we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There are 24 pizzas.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Did you like that, dog? Alright. So, yeah, you already cut up your English muffins, right? And you gotta open up your can of spaghetti sauce. And we gotta doctor it up.
Yep. Now we got to make it look pretty. Hello. It doesn't fit.
You're gonna put some of this
Garlic sauce.
into there. And since AJ's house doesn't have anything in it, that's as good as we're gonna get. Punch hole.
I love you.
Cups for kings.
Alright, so these are going to be specialty pizzas, and this is going to be AJ, the chef, grating some pepper jack cheese on the pizza.
Yeah, you know, we're gonna have to be really careful in this video. With the music that we keep choosing, people just like to keep giving us copyright strikes. It's pretty great. Yeah, taking money from people. Yeah, we make so much money off this. How much does a real YouTuber make, Becky?
$0.
$0.
Plus, other people taking our money from us, so $0.
So right now we're putting some pepperonis on. Alright, now we're gonna put some sausage on the pizza. It looks so good. So simple. Hey, could you put a bell peppers?
Hey guys, we're gonna preheat the oven. I don't know how this works. So guys, welcome to our. I think we can only fit in one at a time.
Oh man.
Oh hey, There's a mini game. I don't know what actually is supposed to be it, but he came up with it.
You see that ninja star? Yeah. Just. All right. See this? Look out. See, okay. Now the objective is to get the bad guy. Right now, he's attacking our mothers. Zeki's mom, my mom, and we're gonna throw it from a distance and see if we can get the bad guy. And if we hit our moms, we lose.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many paces back are we
Oh,
going?
this looks. Yeet.
Oh, you
Aw.
almost got him, AJ. Oh my God, you almost got him.
All right, Zeki's turn.
Hey guys, I got him. Thank you, AJ. So, how's the hairless cat business going?
Oh, man, it's quite hard. Grooming cats, hairless cats at that, is quite difficult, especially since they don't have fur.
Oh, thank you for taking me out. Who cooked this exactly?
Us. Good?
Alright. So, we've already cleared some of the table. How is it, AJ?
It's quite good. On the other unfortunate hand, it is quite cold.
Yeah, it's, I'd rate these 11 out of 10, definitely, without a doubt.
I'd have to rate these a whopping 7.5 out of 10.
Oh, really smooth. Oh, thank you. Good?
Well,
Hey guys.
this concludes the end of this episode of Wedos Cooking Wednesday. We had a blast cooking these tiny little pizzas. Thanks to Zeki's beautiful recipe.
Yeah, it's a family recipe. I started off my day woodchucking and ended my day with a dinner date with my best friend, eating miniature pizzas that we cooked. I say it's a pretty good day. And I swear I'm straight.
Have a good day.
Bye, guys.